Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In this video, we will explore how subagents actually work inside Claude Code. We will learn how they handle tasks, share work, and stay focused on the right context. Let's start by looking at how subagents are built inside Claude Code. Each one has its own setup, space, and clear purpose. Every subagent runs in its own context window. That means it works separately without mixing up information. It follows its own small set of rules or instructions. Those guide what it should do and how it should behave. Each subagent also has certain tools it's allowed to use. These tools match the kind of job that subagent is designed for. Now let's see how Claude decides which subagent should handle what. When you make a request, Claude checks if it matches any subagent's role. If it does, the task is passed on automatically. You don't need to do anything extra, it just happens in the background. Once the subagent finishes, you get the results right in your main chat. It's short, clear, and easy to read. Each subagent has its own memory, separate from your main chat. That means information from one task doesn't mix with another. This helps keep your work clean and organized. Even long projects stay easy to manage over time. Every subagent gets only the tools it needs. This keeps its work focused and prevents mistakes. The permissions for each subagent are set in its configuration. That's what defines what it can and cannot do. This structure keeps everything under control. Each subagent sticks to its purpose. You can also start a subagent whenever you want. Just type a clear command and it will take over the task. The commands are simple and natural. You don't have to remember any complex format. This gives you full control over when it runs. Nothing happens until you decide to call it. In automatic mode, Claude sends tasks to subagents when they match their job. This saves time for things you do often. In manual mode, you trigger them yourself. That's useful when you want more control or need precision. Both modes work together to keep your workflow flexible and smooth. You can switch between them anytime. Let's look at an example. You make a change in your code, Claude notices it right away. The code reviewer subagent runs automatically. It checks your work and gives you helpful feedback. You get the results in seconds while your main thread stays clear. No interruptions, no clutter. Now let's recap this lesson. Subagents work in their own space with specific tools. This helps you stay organized and consistent. Claude can delegate tasks automatically or when you ask it to. That gives you both speed and control. Overall, this system keeps your workflow structured and efficient. You spend more time doing real work, not managing details. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create subagents. You will see how to set them up and connect them to your own workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.